One people, one people, one tribe, one kind, one planet, one race, one love, one people, one. Too many things that's causing one to forget about the main cause, connecting, uniting. But the evil is seated and alive in us, so our weapons are colliding and our peace is sinking like Poseidon. But we know that the evil one's threatened by the sun, so we come and try to separate the sum. But he dumb, he didn't know we had to would overcome. Rejuvenate by the beating of the drum, come together by the cycle of the hum. Freedom when all become one, forever. One tribe, y'all. One tribe, y'all. We one tribe, y'all. We all one people. Let's catch amnesia. Forget about all that evil. Forget about all that evil. That evil that they feed you. Let's catch amnesia. Forget about all that evil. That evil that they feed you. Remember that we one people. We all one people. One people. One people. One people.
One love, one blood, one people. One heart, one beat, we equal. Connected like the internet, united, that's how we do. Let's break walls so we see through. Let love and peace lead you. We could overcome the complication cause we need to. Help each other, make these changes. Brother, sister, rearrange this way of thinking that we can change this bad condition. Break, use your mind and not your greed. Let's connect and then proceed. This is something I believe. We are one, we're all just people.
One tribe, y'all. One tribe, y'all. One tribe, y'all. We all one people. Let's cast amnesia. Forget about all that evil. Forget about all that evil. That evil that they feed you. Let's catch amnesia. Let's catch amnesia. Forget about all that evil. That evil that they feed you. One tribe, y'all. We one tribe, y'all. One people. One people. One people. One people. One people. Let's catch amnesia.
Lord help me out, trying to figure out what it's all about. Cause we one and the same. Same joy, same pain. And I hope that you're there when I need ya. Cause maybe we need amnesia. And I don't wanna sound like a preacher, but we need to be one. One world, one love, one passion. One tribe, one understanding. Cause you and me can become one.